What's up, crew? Welcome to Be Your Inspiration. Go ahead now, like, comment, share, and bang that subscribe button and enjoy the ride. As today we bring you another banger, episode 14. You matter. Yes, you do. You sure do matter, man. You are enough. And I know right now in this time, there's someone out there ready to give up because they feel as if they don't matter, as if though they're not enough, as if though their gifts and dreams don't matter to the world. I'm here to tell you to rise up, to build up your confidence, and to tell yourself each and every day that you matter, each and every day that you are enough. Everything about you is enough. Everything about you matters to this world. Your goals and dreams not only benefit you, but benefit those in the world. So those naysayers and the enemy that have burden you with so much negativity, it's time for you to separate yourself. It's time for you to rise up and be bold and brave individuals, to know that you are enough. You know, we get into the times when we're in those dark places and we start to self-sabotage our own life. We start to tell ourselves that we're not enough, that we don't matter. That who cares if we're here or there? But it's time now to start telling yourself you are needed, you are wanted, you are enough, and you matter. I know what you're feeling right now in those dark places. Trying to figure out a way to get out, trying to figure a way to shine more light on that darkness. I'm talking to myself. I was in that dark place, getting beat up with no way out. What do? What's next? You tend to forget that you matter, that you're a creator. So you go back to the drawing board and you work on yourself piece by piece to start figuring out ways to rebuild your life. If no one's told you lately you are enough, you matter to me, you matter to this world, you need to feel it. Stop chasing life and start living it. Each and every day is a blessing for you to go after your goals and dreams, and never let the naysayers and the doubters get in your way or slow you down from reaching it. You must rise up. Accept the challenge to be your very best self each and every day, as we must be better than we were yesterday, to allow ourselves to be fully committed to today and go all out. You got it. Remember, you matter. Your gift is needed. You're in that dark place, I know. I'm actually familiar with it. But no one's going to join you at your pity party. No one wants to sit down with that person that's just burdening themselves into that darkness. Start to set yourself apart. Let your greatness rise. Let your greatness carry a light on you as you continue to move through this journey of life. Remember, you matter. You're an amazing individual. And never forget that, my friend. Until I see you next time, remember, it starts with you and it ends with you. And just keep on keeping on. Let's get it.